Well, thank you for stopping by for another episode of Forgotten Gear Restorations. We're going to wrap up this Creation Audio 45, their take on a JTM 45. And also the reintroduction of Intermittent Issue Week. Not with this guy, but with what's coming up next. And then speaking of coming up next, I have two Tweed 50s era Fenders. I got a 60s era Princeton Reverb and an old Vox Pathfinder. Stay tuned. All right, John, here's just a quick dirty sound sample of your son's Creation 45, which is their take on a JTM 45. I have it set up for overdrive. Whoa, let me get a little tune on there. Something's not right. Cold guitar strings, you know how it goes. That's just my single coil noise there. There it goes. All right, let's do some cleans. Beautiful touch sensitive amp. So I will give you a jingle. We'll coordinate a pickup. Bye.